I have to understand place value of a number. Suppose I write a number, say 3251.2. So yesterday I told you all that whenever I write, now where's the decimal point? Can everybody see the decimal point? Yes. So when from the decimal point, if I go towards left side, I am doing multiplication. From the decimal point, if I'm going right side, I am doing division. Clear, children? Always remember this. In a number, from the decimal point, if I am going from the decimal point, if I am going towards the left, it is multiplication. And if I am going towards the right, it is division. Let me explain to you. In your lower classes, you would have studied 25 is nothing but 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Correct? So this was called units place and this was called tens place. Correct? Yeah. If I increase the number 3892, then this becomes tens place. Sorry. This becomes units place. This becomes 10 place. This becomes hundreds place. And this becomes thousands place. Similarly, if I keep on increasing, this will, suppose I put another number 8, then this becomes 10,000 place. 10,000 place. Correct? Basically, what is happening? The number is increasing. I am multiplying with every place value. What happens in division? What happens in fractions or divisions? Let us understand that. So, moment I get a fraction, initially I told you all, fraction and decimals, they are interrelated. Correct? Correct, no? Okay. So, let me give you all a fraction. Say I have suppose I have a fraction, let's say 14 divided by 4. So, it can also be written as 14 divided by 4. Correct? What is the answer? What is the answer if I want to convert this to decimal? I will do what? What will I do? Yes, no. I'm doing division, no? Long division. What did I say? I said 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4. Okay? Tell me, Kirtan, how to do? How to do, Kirtana? No, Kirtana, I've asked Kirtana. Kirtana, can you hear me? Yeah, tell me how to do. 4, 4, 4 3s are 12. Very good. Very good. Then I'm adding a 0. 4 fives are 20. 0. So what have we done? We have converted 14 by 5. We have converted to, sorry, 14 by 4 children. What am I doing? 14 by 4, I have converted to 3.5. What is 14 by 4? It was in what form? Fraction form. And I converted it to decimal form. Now, yes, Archana. Yes, Archana. Yes. In proper division. Yes. You can decimal. That's what I'm telling you. No, Archana, look at my screen. What is fraction? What is fraction? Children, please mute others. Yes, fraction means nothing but division. This is nothing but division. When I have one item, if I divide it into smaller parts, I get fractions. And fractions, as it is, is related to decimals. So, both of these are division. Moment when bone gets fractured means it is broken, no? Have you ever thought the word fracture? Fractions, it is breaking. Breaking means division. Cutting means division. When I cut a cake, it is cutting is when I tear a paper into two pieces. Fraction. Everything is divided. I am dividing. Moment I am dividing, I am getting more pieces, but each piece is smaller. Correct? So this is basics of maths. So when you're dividing, I can Archana, again telling, coming back to your doubt, I can put a division in this form, in fraction form, or I can put in decimal form. The answer. Clear? Yeah. Now let me make you all picturize this. So we had started with 14 by 4. Means what? Suppose I have, say, 14 balls. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I am giving it to 4 children. Standard, whenever you all are in doubt, always picturize. 4 children. Means what? 14 is, 4 is what? 4 is people. So I'll keep the same color, okay? And 14 is items. Clear? So what did I get? I got 3 whole, let's not call it balls, children, let's call it fruit, okay? Let's call it some fruit. Okay, because ball we cannot cut into pieces. Okay, so let's call it for 14 fruits. So 3 full fruits will go to each person, correct? This 3, this 3 will go to this 3 will go to this 3 will go to this person, and these 3 will go to this person. So how much is remaining? 2. So these 2 are still remaining. Correct? That is what we got when we did long division. If you see now, see how it all gets related. I'm just doing a long division here. 4 divided by 14 divided by 4. 4 threes are 12. Remainder 2. This remainder is here. Correct? So you're able to picturize? Yeah. So, yes. Perfect. So this is, so 2 balls are remaining. So I will, so this, children please mute. So this 3 is full fruit that they got. Full 3 fruits. So I will remove these fruits. This 3 full fruits. Okay. Now I have to divide these 2 balls, or sorry, these 2 fruits amongst these 4 children. Children, please mute. Okay. Now what do I do? So now I will make this big. I will make these 2 big balls, fruits, and I want to divide this among 4 children. What will I do? Yeah, but that is in fraction form. So fine. I can put that in plus half. Correct? Plus half, which is nothing but 3.5. What type of fraction I got? Mixed fraction. Okay, very nice. So I got mixed fraction. So I converted improper fraction to mixed fraction, and we can see it also. Correct? Very nice. What if I tell you I want to convert this to decimal? So children, remember always when I want to convert into decimal and I get remainder 2. What was this remainder 2? No? This was remainder 2, correct? This was remainder 2. I will divide whatever is remaining. Children, please mute. I will divide whatever is remaining into 10 equal pieces. 10 equal pieces. So I will divide this into 10 equal pieces. So how many pieces I'll get? Here I'll get 10 and here I'll get 10. Correct? When I divide these 10, children, please mute, children, please mute. Harini, can you mute, please? Vinay, mute. Naveen, mute. Thank you. So I will get 10 pieces here, 10 pieces here. So if I divide these 10 pieces into 2, how many pieces each one will get? 5, 5, 5, 5. Correct? So each one will get 5 pieces. This will get this 5 pieces. This will get this 5 pieces. This will get 5 pieces. That is why in decimal form I will write 0.5. So what all we got? We got 14 by 4 is 3.5 in decimal form, and we also got it in mixed fraction form 3.5, which is nothing but all are same. Understood, children? That is why when we write 3.5, this is called 10th place or 1/10th place. Correct? And that is why when we do long division, when we are doing long division, we had 14 divided by 4. Okay, what was, no, sorry, 4 was which color? Blue, correct? So when we divided 14 fruits among 4 children, first we gave 3 complete fruits everybody got. So 12 fruits gone. Remainder 2 fruits. Moment we put point, moment we are putting point means we are dividing those 2 remainder fruits into 20 equal pieces. Understood, children? This is the meaning. So you have divided those two fruits into 20 equal pieces. Now, each of the four children will get five equal pieces of that out of 20. Four fives are 20. Now remainder 0. No piece is remaining. So each child got 3.5 pieces of the chocolate, of the fruit. So whenever, and that is why when you first time when you put a point and first zero, this is the first zero, this becomes the 1/10th place. So this became the 1/10th place. Clear, children? And this is always a units place. Why? Because it was complete, full fruit. Three full fruits they got. And zero point 0.5 means half of the other remaining fruits. So when I write when I write 3.5, this is full and this is fraction. Or you can write 3.5. This is called whole. Correct, no, children? Which is nothing but full. Whole and full are same. And this is called fraction. This is how it is related. Only thing is, in here it is called half, and here it is number of pieces. That's why five smaller pieces, and this was half of the fruit. That's all the difference. That's English. Let us do one more. Okay. So now we're understanding what is place value of decimals. Okay. Now let me give you another scenario. Now I will not draw, children. Okay. You all only picturize. Whatever imagination you all have, you all picturize it that way. I will give you all another fraction. 15 divided by 4. And I want, this is a fraction. I want you all to convert it to decimal. So let us do it. Picturize, same thing. You all can picturize 15 fruits, 4 children. Picturize, okay? We will not draw. We will do technique. So let us do, children please mute. So I have green color, sorry, green, no? 15 fruits this time. And I want to distribute to same, 4 children. Okay. So again, what is it? 4. 4 how much? 4 threes are 12. Sorry, correct? Remainder is? Remainder is? Remainder 3. That means 3 fruits are remaining. Now I want to, children please mute after answering, please mute. Thank you. Now I want to divide these 3 remaining fruits to the 4 children. So what I will do? I will divide each of those fruits. I will put a decimal, which means I am dividing the 3 fruits into 30 equal pieces. Correct? Okay, now I have 30 equal pieces of the fruit. So the 3 fruits were divided and now made into 30 smaller pieces, equal pieces. Now can I distribute to the 4 children? Can I distribute it to the 4 children? How many pieces will each get? So how many will they get? Yeah, how many will they get? They will get 7 pieces more. Smaller pieces, okay? Smaller pieces, but 7 pieces more. So 4 sevens are, so 28 pieces gone. Oh, but still there are two pieces balance. Correct, no? I will further divide this into 20 equal pieces. So, so 4 fives are 20, and then I got 0. Second time when I add the 0 or divide into further this is called the 1 by 100th place. This was what? First time I called this was 1 by 10th place. First time I put 0, it was 1 by 10th place. Second time when I divided those two remainder pieces, these two remainder pieces further into 10 equal pieces to 20 pieces, it became the 100th place. So 3.75. So I got 3.75. That means 3 whole fruits they got. Full fruits, okay? 3 whole, which is units place, correct? Then 7 1/10 piece they got, correct? And then they further got 100th piece. So the fruits got divided 2 times. One time they got divided into 10 equal pieces, 1/10 place, 1/10. So they got divided into 10 pieces. Each fruit got distributed. Second time, the smaller pieces got divided into 100. This is the meaning of place value. Clear, children? Now suppose, yes. So now suppose I give you all, oh, oh, I've created. So suppose I give you all another scenario. Children, I hope you all are writing. Okay. Now suppose I give you all another scenario. I give you all, okay. Let me give you all 34 divided by 8. 34 divided by 8. Who's that? Name, please. Yes, Pawan. Yes, Pawan. Answer, please. 34 divided by 8. Yes. 8 fours are 32. Children, yes. Remainder 2. Then I will put point. First division I'm doing. So the 2 I get 20 equal pieces, smaller pieces. Yes. Then everybody will get two equal pieces out of that. Remainder 4 pieces are still there. Again I will divide. Then yes, then again I will divide by 5. 40. So I will get 0. That means he got 4 full items, full or whole. Children, please mute. Please mute. Full. Then 2, 2, 1, 1. Yes, that is fraction form. We are doing decimals. Yeah. And this is 100. Correct? Very nice. So, very good. Now suppose I have, for everybody, children, Yeah. Okay. 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 Now suppose children, I have Govardhan. Yeah. Suppose I have one chocolate bar. Okay. Suppose I have one chocolate bar. Yes, Pawan, my voice is breaking, but only for you. So you will have to be in a network area. Okay. Now I want to divide this. Okay. I want to divide this amongst four children. Okay. Let me change the color and I want to divide this by four. So I have one chocolate and I have to divide it with four children. Okay. Clear? What will I do? So I have one chocolate and I have to divide to four children. Tell me, how will I go ahead? Who is that? Name. Govardhan, you answered before or not? Yeah, so Govardhan, hold on. Who will answer? Danya. Danya? Yeah. Tell me. Okay, so four zeros are zero. So remainder is one. That means this one chocolate is there. It is remaining one. Then what will I do? Point. Very nice. So I will put a point. Can you see the point? Yeah. Yeah. That means what am I doing? What am I doing when I make the point? I'm adding zero. But what am I doing to the chocolate? How many? How many? 10 pieces, children. Look here. Look here. I'm making 10 equal pieces. So let me make it for you all. Children, it is very important to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many pieces? 10 equal pieces. Clear? Then what will I do? I will distribute it to the children, correct? How many will each get? Yes, 4. So 4 twos are 8. So so this one will go to one child. This one will go to second child. These two pieces, correct? These three pieces will go to the third child, and these two pieces will go to the fourth child. Clear? Yes. Now balance is what? Two pieces are still remaining. Oh, what to do now? Hold on. What? Subhashri, Subhashri, hold on. Subhashri, hold on, please. Yeah, thank you. Yes, Subhashri, now tell. You cannot add one more decimal point. Children, don't use my whiteboard, please. We cannot use one more decimal. We already added one decimal point. There are two pieces still remaining. Hold, hold on. Hold on. Yes, who can answer? Raise your hand, children. Raise your hand. Govardhanya. No, Archana. Yes. We have to further make equal pieces. So this balance two. When I'm okay, lower your hands, children. Lower your hands. When I add, lower your hands, children. Lower your hands, please. When I add a zero here, when I add a zero here, means I'm dividing this balance. These two are balanced, right? These two are balanced, right? These two pieces, what I've circled. I'm further dividing them into 10 equal pieces each. That means I will further divide this into small pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many pieces I got totally? 10 for each. 10 equal pieces for each piece. Totally how many? Okay, let me draw this properly for you all. Okay, now children, these colored pieces have gone. Correct to the children? They all got two pieces each. Correct? So let me rub. Now let me rub this and let me only draw those two pieces. So how many pieces were remaining? Two pieces after dividing by two. Two out of the 10 pieces were remaining, correct? Two out of the 10 pieces were remaining, correct? Okay. Now I want to distribute it further. So I will, what do I mean by adding zero here? Means what I'm doing is I'm dividing these pieces into further 10 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many pieces now I got? 20 pieces, which is nothing but this. It is meaning is same. 20 pieces. So first time I had divided into 10 pieces. Then I gave away two pieces to each. Then the still remainder was two pieces. So again I divided into further 10. Clear children? Now, now I will give the children each how many pieces? Five pieces. So 20. Now all pieces are distributed. So each child got each child got 0.25 of the chocolate in decimal form. Children, clear? Visualization is clear? And this is called 110 and this is called 100. Sim- Simple children. Okay. So similarly, very good. So similarly, I will now make you all understand what is place value of decimal points. So it is easy to understand. Now just remember this. So I have say a number 3891 point 2567. Okay, let me make the point very big. You all can see the point? Yeah. Okay. So this first position is called 1 by 10. Second position is called 1 by 100. Third position is called 1 by 1000. This is called 1 by 10,000. What are we doing here? Understand, children. Understand, very clearly understand. We are first, it will be there as soon as I increase. Now understand the concept. First time what I did to get this 2, I divided by 10. Correct? Correct? Yes, please ask. Chil- I'll explain that later. That is there in a first chapter of ninth standard. Don't worry about that. Now just under, now just the place value is always same. Whether I have, whether I have, of course it will come. Who's asking the doubt? Children, child, who's asking? Yeah, Pawan. Okay. Pawan, place value is same. Now, for example, I have 2567, or whether I have 0.33333, doesn't matter. This is still 1 by 10. This is still 1 by 10 position. This is still 1 by 100 position. This is still 1 by 1000 position. This is still 1 by whatever, 10,000 and all. It doesn't matter. The fraction doesn't matter. Now you only tell me, Pawan. Okay. Children, I'm rubbing this for the time being. Okay, let it be there. Pawan, and everybody listen. I have a number 352. What is the place value of this? Units. What is the place value of this? Then, what is the place value of this? 100. Now I have a number 999. What is the place value of 9? This 9? What? Unit. What is the place value of this? Place value doesn't matter. It will remain the same for any number. Similarly, if I have decimal, whether it is recurring, non-recurring, whatever, place values will remain same. Whether I have 3891.2567 or 3891.6666, doesn't matter. The place value won't change. The number is changing. The value of the number is changing, but the place value is same. So let us first understand. Understood, Pawan? Yeah. Okay, Pawan, charge your phone, no then? Only you know. Yes, Danya. Okay. So children, look at this very carefully. When I get my first decimal position, this is 110 position, what am I doing? I am dividing by 10, correct? Then I am dividing this. Children, please mute. Yes, Archana. Okay, ask Salma. Previous one means? Oh, you didn't understand that. Okay, wait, let me finish this, then I'll go back there. Okay, hold on. So, children, in the first, okay, let me explain with that only. Salma, listen now carefully. Okay, I will explain with that only, children. I had a chocolate, Salma. Children, don't use my whiteboard, please. I had a chocolate, correct? One chocolate, correct? How many chocolates are this? One. One. And I wanted to divide it into four children. Give it to four children. One chocolate, four children. What will I do? I will do long division, correct? Basically, I will cut. Division means what? I will start cutting this chocolate so that all of the four children will get equal. They should get equal, correct? Okay. So what did I do? I did, sorry, one chocolate dividing to four children. So what happens? Nobody can get full chocolate, correct? nobody is going to get full chocolate because I have only one chocolate. So 4 zeros are 0. Remainder how much? 1. Correct? One chocolate. Okay. Now, the moment I put point means I have to start cutting the chocolate. So please get me knife. Let's start cutting. I will cut to what? I will cut it into 10 equal pieces. So please get me the knife, children. I am starting cutting, making it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many pieces now, Salma? Salma, how many pieces? 10 pieces. So I have divided into 10 pieces. See this, what I'm circling. 10 pieces. Can you see? Yes. Very good. So now that I divided 10 pieces, how many pieces each child can get? 4 children? 4 twos are 8. So each child will get 2 pieces to one child, 2 pieces to the second child, 2 pieces to the third child, and 2 pieces to the fourth child. So 8 pieces gone. Okay. And my how many pieces are remaining? 2 pieces still remaining. So what I do is I will cut this. I will cut this and I will write only those 2 pieces now. I will draw those 2 pieces only. Those small pieces, okay? Correct? Correct? Now I will further have to, because 2 pieces I cannot give to 4 children, no? So what I will do? I will further cut this. Get the knife. I will cut this to 10 equal pieces, or I will divide. Very good. So I will divide knife again into 10 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many pieces I got, Salma, now? Here I got 10 pieces. Here I got 10 pieces. Equal pieces, small pieces, which is nothing but 20 pieces. But I have divided already the smaller pieces, which I divided into 10. That I further divided into 10. So this becomes the 100th place. And this became the 1/10th place. So now I can give each child 5 pieces. So each child will get 5 pieces. 4 5s are 20. Now no pieces remaining. So this became 1/10th place and this became 100th place. Why 100? Because the 2 chocolates which were divided had to they had to be cut into 10 pieces each. So it became 100th. Clear? Salma? Yes. So this is how I get place value. This is how I picturize place value. Now I have so many decimals. How many decimals are there in this? How many decimal numbers are there? How many decimal numbers are there? Children. In our number system. Yes. Infinite. Countless. You cannot count. Just like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000, 1 lakh, 1 trillion, 1 billion, 1 zillion. Unlimited. That decimal numbers also unlimited, countless. So when that happens, we need to understand place value. So what happens when I give you a number? Suppose I gave you a number 3,589.8592. I know from decimal point to here is always multiplication, and from decimal point to the right is always division. That is why when I have this is units place, this is tens place, correct? This is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. They are increasing from left, right to left, increasing, increasing, correct? The value is increasing. Here, here I have 1/10th place. That means remember the chocolate 0.25. First time I divided into how many pieces? Chocolate, how many pieces are divided? First time, first chocolate. When the full chocolate was there, how many pieces are divided? 10 equal pieces. Then I distributed. Then remainder was 2. Then I further divided into 10 pieces. Yeah, so each was 10, no? So 10 plus 10, 20. So 1 by 100. Then 1 by 1000. Then 1 by 10,000. And so on. So on. If you see children here, when you're going from right to left, it is decreasing. More you divide, the more smaller it gets, correct? So this is your basics of place value. Whole numbers will multiply and you will increase. Decimal numbers you will divide and it will keep decreasing in value. And that we had seen. Okay. So let me take one whiteboard. So if I have any number, say for example, if I have a big number, say 98,354.12345. So please tell me children, one by one I will ask you all. Subhashri, tell me what is the place value of 1? 1 by 10. Very good. Salma. 1 minute, children. Tell me the place value of 2. Now? No, no, no. Place value of 2. Place value of 2, Salma. Archana, help Salma. Yeah, tell. 2 divided by 100. Or the place value is called 1 by 100. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Pavni is there? Harini. I have not asked you today. Harini. Harini, Hemant, can you hear me? Jayashree, wait. Jayashree, yes. So tell me, what is the place value of 3? Vinay, lower your hand, please. 1, yes. Very nice. Very nice. And like that, and so on, you can keep going, children. Yes, Vinay, tell me the next of 4. Vinay, very good. Govardhan, 5. 1 by 1 lakh. Okay, so that means you are seeing how small it will become. Small. And that is when you will understand when you learn in science atoms, molecules, and all. They are very small items. Clear? So, children, this is place value, and this is what we will continue with as we go tomorrow into more decimals. I will teach you all tomorrow how to what is the meaning of dividing by 10, what is the meaning of multiplying by 10 or multiples of 10, and what is the technique. You all will be already knowing, but we will practice it more tomorrow. Clear? And after decimals, we will then slowly go into 9th standard syllabus. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now we will start 9th standard slowly, steadily with a very solid foundation. If foundation is solid and practice is there, then our building will can be built. Similarly, then we will be ready for 10th standard as we go up and up and up. Okay? Correct? So enjoy, have a good evening. I will give you all worksheet. Please do it. Tomorrow morning I'll give you all worksheet. Today's worksheet I could not check it, but it was very simple. And it was what I was going to discuss in class. But I will still check it and send it to you all tomorrow. Okay? Hope. So see you all tomorrow, children. Have a good evening. Eat well. Sleep well. Have sweet dreams. Nicely you have to sleep. With smile on your face. Okay? Thank you. If you all do worksheets and give me, I will be happy. I will smile and sleep. Yes. Who is? Yeah, Archana, tell me. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'll send. Okay, I'll send. Maths part 1, I will send. Okay, sorry for that. Thanks for reminding, Archana. I will send it. Okay, you all can download and then read from it. Okay, good. But we are going to start the lesson only next week, but I will send it to you. You all can read. Good. Thanks for reminding. Sure, I'll send it now. Okay. Bye then. Bye, children. Bye, Hemant. Bye, Kavya. Bye, Kirtana. Bye, Anil. Bye, Dhanya. Bye, Subhashri. Bye, Salma. Bye, Archana. Bye, Vinay. Bye, Govardhan. Bye, Vijay. Bye, Harini. Bye, Jayashree. Bye, children. Take care. Have a good night's sleep. Bye. See you then. I'm signing out. Okay. Good night.